Hello. Welcome to our channel. Today, I will tell you a story about marriage and responsibility. It is a story about change, effort, and understanding. Sometimes, we only learn when life becomes difficult. This story is called The Lazy Husband. Let's begin. My name is Sarah. I am married. My husband's name is Tom. At first, everything was good. Tom was kind. He made me laugh. We were happy together, but after some time, things started to change. Tom became lazy. He did not work. He stayed at home all day. He watched TV. He slept a lot. I worked every day. I woke up early. I went to my job. I came home late, and I did everything. I cooked. I cleaned. I paid the bills. Tom did nothing. At first I said nothing. I thought, maybe he is just tired. But days became weeks. Weeks became months. Nothing changed. One evening, I came home very tired. The house was messy. The dishes were dirty. The floor was not clean. Tom was on the sofa, watching TV. "Tom," I said, "can you help me?" He looked at me. "I will do it later," he said. But later never came. I felt angry and sad. "Why are you like this?" I asked. He said nothing. That night I cried. I felt alone, even in my own home. The next day I made a decision. I stopped doing everything. I did not cook. I did not clean. I only took care of myself. At first, Tom did not notice, but after a few days, there was no food. The house was very dirty. His clothes were not washed. "Sarah," he said, "why is the house like this?" I looked at him. "Because I am tired," I said. "I do everything alone." He stayed quiet. That night he looked around the house. Really looked. The mess, the silence, the empty kitchen. The next morning something changed. He woke up early. He cleaned the house. He cooked simple food. I was surprised. "What happened?" I asked. He looked at me. "I'm sorry," he said. "I didn't understand before. I thought it was easy. But it's not." I stayed quiet. That night he looked around the house. Really looked. The mess, the silence, the empty kitchen. The next morning something changed. He woke up early. He cleaned the house. He cooked simple food. I was surprised. "What happened?" I asked. He looked at me. "I'm sorry," he said. "I didn't understand before. I thought it was easy." "I want to change," he said. "I want to help." Days passed. He kept his promise. He found a small job. He helped at home. We worked together. Life became better. We talked more. We laughed again. One evening, we sat together. "Thank you," he said, "for not giving up on me." I smiled. "We are a team," I said. Because marriage is not one person's job. It is two people helping each other, growing together. My name is Sarah, and this is my story. Thank you for listening. In life, we all make mistakes, but we can change, we can grow, and we can do better. If you enjoy simple English stories, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next story.